So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install GTA 5 on your PC and laptop in 2026. So imagine playing GTA 5 without spending a single rupee. But wait, is it actually possible in 2026? Or are those free GTA 5 download websites just scams? Today I'm going to tell you the complete truth about how you can legally get GTA 5 for free without viruses, without cracked files, and without getting banned. Because trust me, one wrong download and your PC can be full of malware. So watch this video till the end because I'll show you the safest and smartest way to get GTA 5 either completely free or at the cheapest price possible. First of all, we're talking about GTA 5. Even though this game was released years ago, it's still one of the most played games in the world. Why? Because it's huge open world, story mode, GTA Online, mods, roleplay servers. And because of that, people still want it in 2026. The most common question is, can you actually get GTA 5 for free? The honest answer is sometimes yes, and most of the time no. Let me explain. The only real way GTA 5 was free back in 2020, Epic Games actually gave GTA 5 for completely free for a limited time on their store. Millions of people claimed it, which caused their servers crash. If you claimed it during that time, it's yours forever. Now here's the important part. Epic Games sometimes does surprise giveaways during big events like anniversary sales, holidays sales, especially promotions. So if GTA 5 ever comes free again, it will most likely to be on Epic Games Store. So now how you can do this, make sure you have Steam installed in your PC and then just click on your Steam, open it, and once you're in your Steam just search for GTA and there you'll find Grand Theft Auto 5 Enhanced. Just click on this, add your birth date and make sure you do it on 18 plus. If you do it under 18 it won't let you download or purchase this. So just make sure you just do this. Once you do this, you'll be brought to this page and you just have to click on add to cart and then pay your money, and then hopefully the game would be added to your library. And once you do this, you'll be able to play your game. And yes, this is how you can do it, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.